In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix hyping and packet loss in CS2. Let's get started. Let's go to library. Just click in home. Imagine that this is CS2. Just right click and go to properties. Now, this is our launch options. Just delete all of whatever is your launch options and just paste this. And as you can see, just paste this and just click X and you're ready to go. And this is our second method. Just go to search bar and search view network connections and just click this. Once you are in here, just right click your internet and just go to properties. Once you're in here, make sure you have to target this internet protocol version 4 and use the following DNS server, which is now just copy what is written in my DNS server and just press OK. Now our third method is just to go to our CMD. So let's go to command console. Make sure you run it as administrator and click yes. Once you're in here, just copy this. Now once you are done with ipconfig flash DNS, just next with software. Now after that, ipconfig renew. And that's it. And here it is. Now after that, you just have to restart and that's it.